Hello sa inyo guys. So, medyo malapit na tayo magtanghalian. Ayan, 11:22 na yung oras. So, yun, ito na yung susunod na update natin. So, flag dito sa ating pang Monday na schedule. And ito, mapapanood nyo ito ng mga alas 2 ng hapon. So, yun, may bagong nagtapos na yung season ng last na season nung card, which is yung Moon Team. So, ito na yung bagong season, which is cut team naman siya. And yan. So, yung mga rewards na makuha sa free sa premium na fun card. So, yun. Play natin. And yan. Nakikita nyo may whispers. And then, once na punta tayo sa iba, yan. Siyempre yung free na makuha nyo. And then, yan. Another Romeo whispers. Tapos, yan. Little Black Speaks. Sa chat bubble naman nun. Tapos yung home effect. Ayan, so yan yung makuha nyo. And then skip na natin yan. Di pa tayo dito sa screenshot, which is yun doon naman sa ranking. So sa ranking, pag nakuha kayo ng top 1 pag natapos nyo yung season, ayan, the player who ranks 1 this season gets for 60 days, which is yung Meow Warrior na badge title. So yan, pag natapos yung buong season, so sa season ng September 29. So, pag natapos nyo, tapos kayo yung top 1, makuha nyo yung warrior, and then top 2 to top 5, 60 days din yung title, which is yung Meow King, and then yung top 6 to 10, 60 days din, which is yung Meow Knight naman. And then, skip na tayo dito. Ayan. So, dito pala sa points. Ayan. So, yung points na yan is makuha nyo yan sa paggawa ng task, and then itong ito. So, yung screenshot. Ayan, so sa screenshot ng chess na weekly signing points chess. Ayan ay nagre-refresh every Monday. Does not count toward weekly quest points. Ayan, meron yan 1,000 points. And then, pagka nag-upgrade naman kayo ng fun card, which is yung 449 pesos yata yun, is makakuha kayo ng extra na 1,000 points. So, yun. Tapos, ito naman yung sa task na gagawin nyo. So, meron dyan, daily yan. Pwede yung gawin daily. Or, daily yan. Tapos, nagre-reset yan na weekly. So, and then, ayan. So, una dyan is yung join voice room for 10 minutes. Which is, mag-accumulate kayo ng 400 points per time. Pero ito, pwede ito ng per hour. Yan, meron yung pagka-pwede yung IPM per hour. Yung calculation yan. And then, ito daily sign in is meron kayong 300 points per time. So, dati nasa 400 yung binaba ni WePlay. And then, isa mo naman is like something on moments, which is 100 points per time. So, yan, pwede yung gawin daily. And, sunod-sunod yung araw, pwede yung gawin. And then, next naman, itong add friend in voice room. So, pag mayroon nag-join sa voice room nyo, pwede kayo mag-add, meron kayong 200 points per add yun per time. So, weekly limit is 7. Then, yung isa is 10, then 7, then 15. Tapos, sunod naman is send gifts to players, which is 30 gifts yan. Pag nag-send kayo, meron kayong 100 points per time. And then, yung play board games, which is yung card game. So, consider as board games yun. And yung stas pa yata, I think, pwede yun. Or Uno. So, hindi ko sure kasi hindi ako masyado naglalaro ng iba dito. So, ginagawa ko lang is yung Uno for family tasks sa aking PP brother. And then, last naman is yan yung play board games, which is 200 points per time. And then, skip na tayo dito sa kabila. Yan. Sa exchange naman. Exchange page. So, depende yan kung makakuha kayo ng coupon dito sa ating rewards. So, yan, pag nandun kayo sa rewards, depende yan pag nakakuha kayo ng coupon. And then, ang coupon is pwede nyo i-claim ng 10 10 coupon for dress chest. So, ito yung laman ng dress chest. Ayan, yung noble crown avatar for 1 day. Then, throne and trans effects VR. Then, hard gift card. Then, like gift card. And then, yung love you gift card. And then, yung rose. And then, kung siya yung makakuha ng heart, yung heart ng pinaka-regarding yan is kailangan nyo mag-ipon ng maraming coupon. So, siguro mga 5 or 3. Sa akin nagagawa ko yan dati, yung mga 3 na previous seasons. So, yun. Then, nakakuha ko ng heart tapos 2 like. So, yun. Ganyan lang gagawin nyo para makakuha kayo, maka-trigger kayo ng card. Kailangan nyo ipunin yung coupon na once nakuha nyo dun sa fan card. And then, next naman yung sa ring. So, sa ring naman, yan yung makukuha nyo. Tapos, select custom ring. Yan. Yung cherry ring is merong 300 luck. Then, ruby ring is 600. Ocean for 800. And then, swan love ring is 999. Okay, dyan you can get 1 luck every time you exchange a chest. The higher your luck, the higher your chances of getting a ring. When your luck is full, you're guaranteed to get one. So, yan. Depende yan kung bibigyan ni play. And then, ito yung laman ng ring chest. Once pagka hindi nyo pa nakukuha yung luck do sa ring, or pwedeng kasabay ito, I think. So, hindi pa ako nakuha niyan. Ayan. Ang makukuha nyo is full gift card ng heart, like love you and roses. Ayan. So, for 20, kaya ko naman ang ano yan. And then, yan lang yung ating video ngayon. So, I hope may natutunan kayo. And kung gusto nyo magpabuto replay, ayan. So, ayan yung gawin nyo. Pero kung ayaw nyo naman, meron naman yan na free na makukuha sa fan card kung hindi kayo gastos ng almost 500 kasi 500 ang kailangan nyo gastusin para makakuha kayo ng premium kay Relay. So, yun lang guys, and thanks for watching ulit.